fabulous paper crafting opportunities with a new collection from GDC Studios. It's designed by Melody Ross. It's called Soul Food. Check out these border stickers. You get 20 in a package. They're all different. They're not duped up at all, which is really cool. Glitter accents on some of the bottoms. You've got obviously die cutting. You've got a little more delicate. And this one with a...
Girl, I love that.
Yeah, looking like right out of the 50s.
And I also love these transparencies. You get 18 of these. I call them sugar transparencies.
Very nice.
Because, oh, look at this one.
It's a unique look, really, with the glitter in it.
Yeah.
All kinds of places you could pop those in. Sliding over, we've got brads.
Whoa.
They come with both ovals on the top and the bottom, and then circles in the middle. Very well done. You have chipboard circle stickers, 18 different choices. Liking those. The journal prompt stickers that has 28 stickers. How can I be true to myself? Making big plans. The fancy chipboard stickers, which gives you 14 different choices. Very well done as well. The chipboard words. Gutsy, girl, go, brave. Butterflies. Large and small. All chip, of course. And the birds. All to coordinate with the collection. And get these out of the way. Now the papers are really cool in it. They've got a linen finish to them, so the little pattern you see, you can actually feel it. I like that. It gives it kind of a handmade feel. These are double-sided.
Now that one is flock.
This one's got some big flock going on there.
That feels good.
Yeah. And look, the backside's really nice as well.
Another flocked page.
Yep. Flocked all across.
Words, that's bad.
Now you can find GCD Studios at BlueMoonScrapbooking.com. We have not only Melody Ross, but also Tina Higgins and Donna Salazar. We'd love for you to stop in, grab some of this really cool paper and embellishments.